So here we are, just crossed security. Go to the corner of the show over there,
the bungalows.
Bungaloo. It's like I'm a broken record. Every single time we arrive, I glance over and I tell Erica the same exact thing. I want to stay at one of these hotels.
That over there, that's the Coronado Springs.
Coronado Springs, the one with the red roof.
With the red roof, and that is modeled after the one in California.
It's time to get on Joe Potter. Hey, look at who we have over here. Remember when we first started coming to Disney, we would always get on the monorail. We were always in a hurry, especially when we're with family and we're trying to squeeze the most out of the day. But I don't know, we are on a hot streak getting on the ferry. I just love the boat ride, love the natural air, the wind blowing in, the views, the water moving, and sometimes even seeing the other boats pass by and waving at them. It's just a better experience, in my opinion. And you know what? Every chance we get, I'm on it.
Yes, to American guys. All right. Hold on. Here we go.
Main Street, USA, it feels kind of like you're time traveling, and there's really nothing like it. I'm telling you, when we arrive to the park, like, your mood changes. If you're tired, if you're kind of annoyed, or you're having a bad day, instantly flip of a switch. Look at the balloons. It's just, it's a whole vibe, you know, and that's why we enjoy going to Disney so much. It just, I don't know, it's our little happy place, I guess, and for many others, because we see a lot of people here doing the same thing we are, but it's just a lot of fun.
So I'll take it off if you see one you like, and then you'll just drop yours in here.
Perfect. I think I like that one.
This one?
Yeah.
So we just drop, we keep the back part?
Yeah, keep your back.
Keep the back.
And then let me see, because this one's a double.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay, so
Drop it in there.
oh,
Oh, look, that's like one of the vacation clubs that we have. Do you want that one better?
no. What, from where is he?
So this is like a collection of like the animators. That's why it kind of looks like a sketch pad.
I like it a lot. We are back. This is our house, basically. Right? Which one's your room? Show them which one's your room.
The one with the balcony all the way at the top.
All the way at the top is that one over there. Is that you when you used to be blonde?
It really was.
How do you feel being back here, doing some pins? We went to the Disney store, got some goodies.
We've never been in this store.
Yeah, we have Sir Mickey's, of course we have.
No, we have not.
We've been into every freaking store
That
here.
is not true.
All right, let's walk in and see what they got. Yeah, remember you took a picture with her right here.
Oh, yeah, we did.
Told you we've been here.
It's a dingle hopper from the Little Mermaid that she uses to brush her hair. You guys have It's a great game then.
This ride is really dark, so the lighting is going to be really bad. But I still tried capturing as much as I could.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
look at all the princesses. Oh, hello. Yoo-hoo, over here. How are you? Big Thunder Mountain. Big Thunder Railroad. Are you ready? Are you ready? She doesn't know I'm ready to ride it. This is gonna be epic for me. The very first time I get on a roller coaster. I know this is a family coaster, but for me, it's legit.
You're riding or no?
Yeah. This is my first time riding Big Thunder Railroad. We're riding it in the back, row 12. Are you excited?
I can't believe you're about to do this. I'm so excited.
For real?
Yeah.
Well, YOLO.
Seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, just remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
You ready? First time together? Yeah.
There's one more time.
Oh no. Oh, my heart will fall out. Instantly one of my favorite rides at Magic Kingdom. Now every time I come to Magic Kingdom, I gotta get on it. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was a lot of fun.
Scanners detecting
Hey
more
Buzz,
trouble
what's
in
going
Sector
on,
9.
buddy?
No doubt it's the work of that nefarious criminal, the sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Zurg.
Surge! Don't even act. You ain't ready for this. I'm gonna beat you this time, baby. How?
Where are you going?
Look at the score. I tried so hard to do it on video and I failed miserably. Let's talk about what happened in there right now.
So I straight murked your butt.
I'm gonna delete this video. This is not gonna get uploaded.
It better.
Now it's time to relax and enjoy the views.
He'll never reach that tree.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo.
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as much as we did. I know we didn't talk too much. I wanted you guys to enjoy these rides. We haven't uploaded this type of content on our channel. We're going to be doing a lot more of this in the future though. And we are ready to go. We rode like what, 5 rides? 4. 4?
Yeah.
Rested a little bit.
Perfect.
And
Walked around a whole lot.
walked a lot. Little too much. We're also going to be trying out foods at the parks, different restaurants outside of the parks, just anything travel related. If you guys enjoy that type of content, I'd really love for you to subscribe to the channel because we're going to be bringing you even more of it. So subscribe for more Disney magic. I will see you on the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Peace out.